Hello, hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Prakash. In this section, we going to solve logarithmic solutions part 2. Log 2 plus log 5. First question. Second question. Log 16 to base 2 minus log 2 to base 2. Third question. 3 into log 4 to base 64. Express the following solutions or express these solutions as a single logarithm and find their values. Okay. First question. Here these problems we have to express in single form. If it is possible, then find the value of the given logarithm. Okay. Here, so log 2 plus log 5. So here we know that logarithm a x logarithm x to base a plus logarithm y to base a value is log x y to base a, right? So it is a logarithm rules I have explained in introduction part of the logarithms. Okay. Therefore, it is a log n. So consider just basis 10. Just consider the basis 10. Nothing will happen. Okay. Log x to base a plus log y to base a. That is log xy base a. Therefore, simply it is a, consider it is x and it is a y. So 2 into 5 to base 10. That is equal to log 10, 2 5s are 10 or simply 1. Okay. So second question. So the second question. Okay. Here. So log 16 to base 2 minus log 2 to base 2. Okay, that is log. So 16 we can written as 2 power 4, right? 16 we can written as 2 power 4 because 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So base 2 minus log 2 to base 2 value is 1. Since log a to base a value is 1. Okay. So that is equal to 4 log 2 minus 1. Since again we have a logarithm rule, that is m log a to a, that is equal to log a to a power m. Okay, that is equal to 4 log 2 to base 2 value is 1. Here minus 1, so 4 1 ja 4 minus 1, so 3. Okay. So next here. So 3 log 4 to base 64. Okay. So just write 3. Just okay. Just wait. Here first I am taking only this part. I am taking only this part. Okay. So take let x is equal to log 4 to 64. So here, so it is a logarithm form. So I am writing logarithm form into the exponential form. So 64 power x is equal to 4. Okay. So here 64. So 64. Take LCM here for so 4 1 ja 4. Okay. So 16. 4 6 64. 4 4 ja. So 64 we can written as 3 power 4 into x is equal to 4. So write down 1. Nothing will happen. So base or equal power should be equated. So 3x is equal to 1. Base or equal power should be equated. The 3x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So here 3 into, so here in place of log 4 to base 64, I am writing x. Okay. Nothing will happen. So x. So 3 into, so 3 in place of log 4 to 64, I have written x value. So here what is x value? 1 by 3. That is 1 by 3. So both are get cancelled. Okay. So value is 1. Okay, viewers. Fourth question. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. Fifth question. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay. So I am writing 2 log 3 as log 3 square, right? Minus I am writing 3 log 2 as log 2 cube. Okay. So log 3 square value is 9 minus log 2 cube my value is 8. Okay. Because 3 3 is a 9, 2 2 is a 4, 4 2 is a 8. So I am writing log 9 by 8. Right? Why? Since log x to base a plus log x to base a minus log y to base a is equal to log x by y to base a. Okay. So the answer is log 9 by 8. Okay, here last question.